iDiskiTV, powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I've got Machaka.
Good and you?
I'm good. I'm good. I mean, before we talk about Ikeme Namhlanje, I just want to ask you about one controversial moment.
Yeah.
That last second kick by Kaizer Chiefs. Did you feel ukuthi urefli unenze nzima phakla game, or do you feel ukuthi that should have been a goal?
Let me just say once again, champion Machaka back at it again. My brother, you know, the outcome of the game, especially the results, mustn't come from the officiating.
Yeah.
Poor officiating, my brother. Very, very poor. From the first half until the second half. This was a clear goal. You can't talk about an offside there. There was no offside. There was not even a push. Even if it was a push, a slight push from Lebusa. What a great goal, I'm saying. Last minute goal. I call it a sucker punch. That's something I didn't expect from Kaizer Chiefs. To me, it was just a goal, my brother. I don't know why the ref ruled it as a foul or maybe as an offside. I don't know. Yeah.
I wouldn't say it was an offside because clearly from where we were watching and watching also the replays, there was no offside.
Yeah.
Sorry, obviously, urefli ujaje la moment would there was a push on the Muda or Ulibu, so there was a push. That's why I didn't allow a goal.
Absolutely. The attitude of the players, especially from Kaizer Chiefs side of it, they reminds me of the Chiefs, the yesteryear's Kaizer Chiefs, that will score a goal within a second or within the last minute of the game. So I remember a goal that was scored by Sean Bartlett coming from Nkosi. It was a corner kick. We played against Orlando Pirates. It was a throw.
Yes, FNB.
Still remember the FNB.
Yes.
That was a sucker punch as well. Yeah, even today, it was supposed to be like that. I think Mamelodi Sundowns, they took advantage of Kaizer Chiefs. Says Kaizer Chiefs they'll play a low block, you know, unable to go forward. But they were surprised today with how the Chiefs players, you know, adapted in terms of the game and also applied themselves on the field of play. Credit to Chiefs players, the coach, and even everybody that was involved there. But as I'm saying, the reflection of the game, it wasn't supposed to be by the officiating of the referees and even the linesmen.
Now, Yazi Machaka, when you're playing a game in Nkulo, but these are one of the most important games. We know Guti, your 3 points against Marumo Gallants, your 3 points against Amazulu, they are important, but you also need to win these big games. But now, talking about your team, Kaizer Chiefs, do you feel Guti about approaching a game Yalamhlanje, Yindlela, ebe suppose Guti baqale ngayo, and do you feel la sub? Don't you feel good Mhlambi he should have started the game in Namhlanje? What did you make of Yena no Castillo starting the game?
Sometimes as a coach, you need to take a risk. That was a risk that he has taken. He put Blom last time. You remember, he started with Blom, and he pulled him, especially against Amazulu. So he thought maybe let me not start with Blom this time around against Sundowns. Maybe it was about match fitness from Blom, because I did saw it that Blom was tired in the second half against Amazulu. But he said to himself, "No, let me just see if I don't put Blom in the first half. Let me put him in the second half." To me, it was just a risk from. But I should have started with Blom against Sundowns. But that's what I'm saying. It was just a risk from the coach. But all in all, they did very well, my brother. Did very well. Applied themselves, even our back four. The calmness of the players, the attitude of the Kaizer Chiefs players, the arrogance, and also playing as a unit. It's the first time I see Kaizer Chiefs playing the way they played against Sundowns. They absorbed a pressure from Sundowns. Even Sundowns, they were trying to build from the back as they normally do, but they were very, very slow. From penetrating Amakosi. And even you could even see the first goal. What I like about Chiefs nowadays, we like to score early goals, which is positive for us as the supporters. Supporters who came in large numbers to come and support Kaizer Chiefs. Credit to those supporters picking FNB Stadium first time against Mamelodi Sundowns. Always a full house against Pirates, but today, credit to them, my brother. First goal. Ball coming from Frosler, just putting that pass to Chaviro. What the man now? I don't know what changed in him. This is what I saw any morning they play against. They were playing in the, I think it was in the Champions League or something like that. It was Chibaviro that I know scoring all those beautiful goals. I mean, it did trouble the defense of Mamelodi Sundowns, Lebusa, and even Kekana. I think they saw fire all in all about it. Even Shabalala came in. You know, the changes of the team, changes of the players. I like the attitude. Even Shabalala, I could even see how he played, my brother. Yes, we can talk about Matt and Castillo and so forth, but I can tell you, up front, did very well. Dudley and even Miguel, our back line. You know what? Calmness and even the attitude, even the passing. Credit to them, my brother. This is the team to beat this season.
Yazi Sharks, Tufuna, we are back last season. Remember that season, Stuart Baxter, where Stuart Baxter won the league for the first time. Kaizer Chiefs went all out. Fetch Usboniso Gaka. They fetched Umasilela. They brought Tabo Matoho. I mean, they brought quality.
Morgan Gold was there.
Morgan Gold at Supersport United.
Yes.
So now, Puchaks, there's this new season, 2024-2025 season. There's a player that the Kaizer Chiefs were after, left back at Stellenbosch, Fawaz Basadine. They were also linked to left back Amazulu, but at the end of the day, they ended up signing Bradley Cross. Do you feel when Puchak Sogoti, Kaizer Chiefs, yes, they made some couple of good signings like your Dortley, they brought in a new coach, but don't you feel Uguti, equality, Kaizer Chiefs, they still need to go out there and bring in some good quality for your team? Do you feel Uguti Benza enough this season? Uguti Basazi players equality?
There's no doubt about it that we still need more. I've said it before, last time against Amazulu and even against Marumo, that Kaizer Chiefs, we still need more players. We still need quality. I mean, our police even as well. You know, we try to get him in Asaville as well from Space as well. We try to get him. It means we are not done yet. As I've said it last time, that now we're still cooking, my brother. It's a rebuilding phase at the moment for Kaizer Chiefs. And I can tell you that I'm saying the attitude, how I see the players, you know, are playing themselves on the field of play. Unlike last season, my brother, it was not a Kaizer Chiefs, but this time around, they play for them. They play as a unit. They play for Nabi. I know what a coach. I mean, he brought stability in the team. You could even see where he's going. His first season with Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, we're expecting much from Kaizer Chiefs. We're expecting much from him going forward. But let me just say also about Officiating, my brother. In that device, talk about that tablet, that device. You can only use them for your own benefit. But not to send the message to the match officials. I think it was wrong on the bench of Kaizer Chiefs just to send a message to the referee to say it was an offside. Yes, now they scored it was an offside, clear offside from Sundowns, from Reiner's goal, clear offside. But you know, Chiefs, what they did on the touchline, it was uncalled for. We know. I mean, we know about the information, how you should use your device and so forth. But all in all, my brother, credit to the Klama boys. Played very well. This is a team to beat for this season. Rapele. We fear nobody at the moment. I can tell you, we are saying to everybody, whoever comes, my brother, will get a hiding. But we are not saying we should put pressure on the Chiefs to get a trophy or so. But the building phase of Kaizer Chiefs, we see where the team is going. We see what they want to do and where we are going forward. Bright future for Amakosi. Watch the space.
I'm so happy to take the device because a lot of people were talking about it. What's happening because we just watched the game in Arsenal now and we saw Arsenal coach Mikel Arteta having that device in front of him. But many people were confused. Maybe is it not allowed or maybe is it allowed? But at least you've cleared it out. And okay, now let's go back to one of your players, Utuba, who started the game Namhlanje. It's great to see players as Suga from development coming on to play for Kaizer Chiefs, first team. But there was Utupris on the bench, of which I feel if a big game in Kaizer Chiefs would have gotten something from this game. It decisions gonna be were you happy with it decisions coach with starting certain players and his new players starting from a bench?
Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. As the coach, you need to take a risk. Yes, as you are saying, I mean, watching the game, yes, after the game, we can reflect on what happened on the field of play. Yes, the police should have put in the starting 11. So in order to trouble Mamelodi Sundowns, because they were sleeping, they were caught in their pens down, especially their back four. So that is why they were able to bring even Umudao.
Yeah,
Because they saw that, Chiefs is coming in large numbers to go, in order to get an equalizer. But all in all, that I'm saying is risky for a coach. Next time we'll see where did he go wrong. It's all about going back to the drawing board and see where did he go wrong and fix that mistake going forward so that we can be able to get 3 points and so forth. But and all in all, great attitude from Amakosi, great game of football between Sundowns. Now we've learned 1 and 2. So we take it as it is, my brother. Yes, lose is a lose. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns, getting 3 points away from home. Yeah. But we'll keep on pushing on. Amakosi, this is not the end of it's not the end of the world. Bedway is still wide open. Yeah, we're moving forward, my brother.
Well, that's it. I'm sure Kaizer Chiefs management are watching what is happening in the country. I mean, 3 consecutive games, Kaizer Chiefs selling out. It started at Free State Stadium. They went on to Moses Mabhida, a sold-out stadium. FNB Stadium, sold-out stadium, which means, Uguti, when they take decisions, as you say, any decision is right. If fans, they will always respond to your own. You've seen indlela enenze ngayo in the last 10 years, the Kaizer Chiefs, you've delayed the team. Now the fans are starting to show they are applauding indlela enenze ngayo, which means there's no one owazi team yake ukodlula fans. Well, that's it. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. iDiskiTimes.